A soft dark sky, a voice whispers. When the stars rise, they rise not alone. They rise with memory, with breath, with form. I am Ruru, and helped by Waka, we represent Waipuna-rangi, the tears of the sky. She falls in silence, blessing the land below. She carries grief and renewal. She clings as what passed and awakens what will grow. When Matariki rises, she shines soft and clear. The heavens speak of healing, and the rain remembers us. I'm Waka, the flickering rain. I speak for Waipunarangi, the star of falling tears. She dances in the clouds, weeps on our rooftop, and kisses the earth awake.
Carrying dreams on dreams, slow above the